Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Philips Norelco multi-groomer all-in-one trimmer series 3000, a 13-piece grooming kit designed for beard, face, nose, and ear trimming. This tool promises a lot, so let's see if it lives up to the buzz. First off, this grooming kit includes 13 attachments, making it highly versatile for all your trimming needs. Whether you're working on your beard, maintaining stubble, or cleaning up those pesky nose and ear hairs, the Series 3000 aims to be your go-to tool. The standout feature is the self-sharpening steel blades, which are designed to stay sharp for years without requiring blade oil, a rarity in this price range. The attachments snap off easily, allowing for hassle-free cleaning underwater, which adds to its overall convenience. My experience with the setup was straightforward. Right out of the box, it was ready to go, and I found the attachments intuitive to swap. I was particularly impressed by the precision trimmer, which allowed for sharp, clean lines on my beard with minimal effort. The nose and ear trimmer also performed admirably, getting the job done without pulling or irritation. When it comes to performance, the Series 3000 definitely punches above its weight. For a budget-friendly trimmer, the 60-minute battery life is more than sufficient for multiple uses between charges. However, keep in mind that while the trimmer works well on facial hair, it might struggle a bit if you're attempting to trim larger areas of body hair. It's a powerful tool, but does have its limits compared to more premium models in the Norelco lineup. Now let's get to the pros and cons. On the plus side, the no-oil blades, long battery life, and ease of use make this trimmer a solid option for those who want a low-maintenance grooming tool. On the downside, it's not as robust when handling longer or coarser hair, and the lack of a quick charge feature might be a drawback for some. While its competitors like the Remington all-in-one groomer offer similar features, the Philips Norelco edges ahead with its self-sharpening blades, making it a smarter long-term investment. Midway through, if you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps us bring more great content your way and ensures others can find this video too. In terms of build quality, the trimmer feels solid. The plastic attachments aren't the sturdiest, but for this price point, it's hard to complain. Compared to the more premium Series 5000, which offers more attachments and a longer battery life, the Series 3000 is certainly more affordable, making it a great choice for those on a budget. However, if you need a trimmer that works on body hair or requires even more precision, you might want to look into higher-end models. Overall, for around $20, you're getting excellent value for your money. While it might not have the power or range of attachments that pricier models offer, the Philips Norelco Series 3000 delivers solid performance for everyday grooming tasks. If you're a beginner looking for a reliable tool that's easy to maintain, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to this product in the description below. If you have any questions or if you already own this product, let us know what you think in the comments.